Exciting. So we started off the year with a very strong order book in terms of projects that was coming through from all principals, including Chiron and Nakamura. So in terms of sales, it obviously reflects through the orders from the team, coming in from a difficult period end of last year, driving through. Our customers are now starting to look to invest in the future. So yeah, we're on track for what we're going to be a buoyant year, but we set our stall out really for next year and building the foundations for then. Part of the reason of being here today and getting the team involved, there's new products coming through from Quasar, from Chiron, from Nakamura, and obviously the new products that we're representing in terms of Wimbro. So there's a full portfolio for the sales team to go after. We've employed some new members, basically double the size of the sales team, with the size of the areas that the guys were managing previously, by doubling that team and giving us a larger footfall and allowing them to visit more customers.
So I've joined ETG to cover the southwest of the UK and South Wales as well. The thing that excites me the most is the product range that we can offer. So there is literally everything that a customer could ever need in order to facilitate their customers. I think what the customers like most about ETG is the broad range of products that we offer and the fact that they are all top quality products within the engineering industry.
I cover the northwest of England, also Isle of Man and North Wales. I'm the regional sales manager covering that area, so I'm looking at all kinds of projects. It could be fully automated projects, full turnkey solutions, looking for those kind of opportunities. Sometimes it can be just supplying a machine, but over the past years that's starting to die down now and it's a lot more automation.
I am the area sales manager in the northeast, right up from the Scottish borders down to the M62 corridor across to Hull. What most excites me about ETG is certainly the vast range of products that we have here. So we're not only covering lathes and milling machines, we can also branch off into things like ADM machining, 3D printing, or even laser. I think what customers like most about ETG is certainly the high-end products that they obviously offer, but I do genuinely believe it's the after sales and service and backup that you get as a whole package, cradle to grave with ETG.
I currently cover the West Midlands and Northampton and Milton Keynes, so that lets me cover from roughly up to Telford and Wolverhampton, all the way down to Milton Keynes. For me, the thing that most excites me is purely the wide product range with some brilliant brands in there, whether it's Chiron, Nakamura, Quasar, Mitsubishi EDM. We've got 3D systems, so with all those products integrated together, when we can put them all under one roof, it's really something quite special.
My role at ETG is Southern Area Sales Manager. In my experience, the best things customers like about ETG is customer support we can offer and technical support. We can do full product integration suited directly for their products.
The area I'm covering for ETG is the East Midlands, starting from the location where I live right across the east of the country. What customers like most about ETG I've found in the short time I've been here is the fact that the products do exactly what they're supposed to do. There's no ambiguity. If it needs to be able to make a particular product out of the box, we are sure it can make that product.
Yeah, for the last quarter of 2021 is basically give the guys some focus and, like I said previously, build on for next year. But naturally, with the team that we've built around, they've got their own portfolio and nucleus of customers. So yeah, we expect big things from the new guys.